Welcome to my channel. My name is V. If you're new here, I want to say I appreciate you stopping by. Please remember to subscribe so you can see everything that I upload. Today's video is a one and done eyeshadow look. I have a single eyeshadow. I am going to do a one and done, simple, quick eyeshadow look. In a blink of an eye, it will be done. I am going to start with NYX Glitter Glue. And we will see how quick that goes. The glue is on the back of my hand. I am only going to put it on the lid. You're stepping out today. You are going to run a quick errand and you want to look put together, and we are going to do a one and done eyeshadow look so you can get out the door, go and come back. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to let you know, whether you are young, whether you are mid-age, 50 and above, 60 and above, always look put together. Glitter glue is on my lids. Our one and done starts right now. Age is a number, and a lot of people think that because they are a certain age, they can't do this and they can't do that. Don't trick yourself into that. If you like something and you are enjoying something, do that. First eye is done. One and done. Quick, simple, easy. We're out the door, baby. Do not let somebody prevent you from doing what you love, or let society dictate what you love and what you love to do. Whenever you go against the grain, you are going to stand out and you are going to be different. A lot of people don't do what they love because they're afraid what others are going to say. Now, because I have hooded eyes, take a look. You see how high this looks and how low this looks? I'm coming closer. You see? Because I have hooded eyes. When I open it, most of everything I put disappears. So when I say the lids, I am putting it on the lid, but I always have to go a little higher because one eye is heavier than the other, puffier than the other. So I have to match them so they don't look mismatched. Because one looks high like this, the other one looks like that. So I have to kind of bring this one a little bit up to match it. Hooded eyes, you can do anything with it. Just take your time. Take your time and fix it. All hooded eyes are not the same. Some are puffier than others. Some are heavier than others. Some have more skin, loose skin after the puffiness has gone. So you have to learn to work with it step by step. Take your time, no rush. It's your eyes, and then you fix it the way that pleases you. Now, see, I have brought it up, not too much so it doesn't go higher, but I've brought it up. So when I go like this, you can see it. See, it goes like this. When I open up, that's it, right? Hooded eyes, you can do anything. This is a one and done eyeshadow look. We are stepping out and we are going to do what we got to do. Let me fix this with an eyeliner and show you the one and done look. The tip for today, whether you're young, whether in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, today's tip is know your numbers. Know your numbers. When I say numbers, I'm talking about your pressure. Know what your top numbers are, know what your bottom numbers are, and keep track of it because anything can happen. People think it's only older people who need to keep track of their numbers, but no. You in your 20s, I'm talking to you. You in your 30s, I'm talking to you. You in your 40s and your 50s and above, I am talking to you. Keep track of your numbers. Buy a blood pressure monitor. Invest in a blood pressure monitor and monitor your blood pressure. It is important. Very, very important. I am now monitoring my blood pressure because I want to make sure I stay on the healthy side. So I'm sharing this tip with you because I am doing it. I am asking you to do it. And any age, 20 and up, should monitor their blood pressure because it is crucial to how your heart is functioning. Today's one and done eyeshadow look. This is it. I will see you in the next video. And until I see you and you see me, I'm asking you please to invest in a blood pressure monitor. They have different styles, they have different prices. Invest in a blood pressure monitor because that might just be what save your life. Bye.